Welcome back to the channel. We're going to do something a little bit different today. We're going to unbox the new Ninja Woodfire pizza oven and show you just a few details of how it goes together and the results, which are amazing. Hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe.
Okay. We have the pizza peel. Some instructions.
Always important.
Pizza stone. Wood pellets.
Okay. Everything you need. Bit of silica gel.
Which I think you're going to have to get at because it's really heavy.
Okay. Well, do you want to set up the stand?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for the camera work. So the cover.
Yes.
And that looks like it just does the oven itself.
I don't think, will it be the same right size?
We'll find out.
Okay. Doesn't look that big, does it?
No. Kids, don't use your scissors like this. Tracy's a trained professional.
Professional unwrapper of boxes, is that my
Yep,
new
that's
title?
your official title. That's how you get it out. So it's got a few parts by the looks of it.
Alrighty.
Sturdy steel construction.
It actually is. Nice and solid.
Adjustable legs by the looks of it.
Yeah, it is. That's good. We'll work that out after. Certainly got some quality in it.
The stand was, what was that? It was $199, yeah. In stock at your local Harvey Norman, even though they're not paying for this video. That's the top.
Lots of boxes.
Thankfully we have hard rubbish soon. More instructions.
I've got instructions.
Yep.
Just looking for
Fixings.
fixings.
Does it have fixings?
Good question. Probably should read the instructions, shouldn't I?
Probably.
No. It just flips in.
Okay. No, there's fixings there.
Okay. I lied.
What do we need for the fixings? Is it a Phillips head?
I'll tell you in a second.
Bit of background noise, sorry guys.
No, a hexagonal thing. Must be an Allen key.
A hexagonal thing, otherwise known as an Allen key,
Aha.
which it comes with. Awesome. All right, we'll put this together
Yes.
and come back to you. All right, so Tracy's just going to install the legs.
What is good is there's right, left on here and right, left down here, and we
They just slot in. If I can...
And that's literally put the screws in, and that is it.
Okay.
Very, very easy. Here we go. Screw those together. Actually, go that way. There we go.
Okay, they're all in.
Oh, good. Nice
Make a
and
bit of
solid.
space.
How do we get these up?
What are you trying to do?
Raise them.
A little button down.
Oh, down there.
There.
There we go. Depends how long we want them, doesn't it? We'll give it a go at that setting first. And it all depends on your height.
Where are you going to put it?
There.
Make some space. Is it going to fit?
Move the web right around. Like a glove.
Nice.
The only thing I would think is just whether we want to higher than that.
I don't think so.
That's probably a good height, isn't it?
Yeah.
Awesome.
All right. Want the oven next?
Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do that. You're going to have to.
Yep. Hang on. Is that better? Yep. Okay.
Beautiful.
So here it is up on the stand.
Lovely.
There's more packing.
The tent is very well packed. They're really well packed.
There's got to be a better way, Trace.
Aha.
More goodies inside.
Yes. Packing to make sure. Yes, more packing.
Oh, like a baking tray.
This thing does everything. It roasts, it barbecues, it smokes, it dehydrates, it does pizzas, it smokes, it does everything. It's going to be my new go-to for everything. Look at that.
Perfect.
Beautiful. And there is our Woodfire pizza oven.
All right, we'll come back when
We make pizzas.
we make pizzas.
And then you can roll it or you can pull it, you can do whatever you want.
Good job, Trace. Good job.
Oh, wow.
It's called bread. It's
Gluten free.
It's
It's not actually gluten
It's
free.
paleo.
Silly actually.
You are gonna really be feeling
And
that.
I love most of those.
it's gluten free, so I had to go back and get some.
Normally with
Just on top of this.
it's a gluten
I also
thought like normally gluten free.
It's just a little bit of dough. Look at this. Look at that. Mamma mia.
Oh wow, that went well.
Yeah, we've done well
You've
here.
done this before.
Right, leave it on the end.
Yep. Leave it on
There we
the
go. Excuse me.
half stuff cross. Yep, that's fine. Yep.
Pizza coming through.
That's it. Push start.
3 minutes. Get food. Get food. Oh my goodness! Look at that.
That's so cool that it like tells you it's ready and everything. Alex, every single product does
Look at that. Ow.
Oh, look at that, guys.
Look at that.
Stunning.